Welcome to our first video on automation. In this video, we will talk about the basics of automation testing. So let's get it. Testing is a process that helps to ensure whether the system is made as per the requirement and it is free from errors. It can be the quality, performance, or reliability. Every company needs their product to be defect-free and flawless. From the start, each and every test were executed manually by a human. Manual tests were considered as time-consuming, boring, tedious, and even consisted errors due to the various inputs that made by the testers, since the system or solution needed to be tested in every environment manually. To overcome these challenges, automation was invented. So when did the history of automation start? The first paperwork on automatic program testing by G. Ranfer was released on 1962. Yes, you heard me right. Proving that in between 1967 to 2000s, there are several books were written on program testing and also some automated verification systems and automation tools for mainframes were introduced. Later, 1998 Bugzilla, 2001 JMeter, OpenSTA, 2002 Jira, TDD or XUnit, and 2004 Selenium were invented. These are open source tools that were created to fulfill the automation task. Although the history of automation started early long time ago, its profession started only 10 to 15 years back. So I hope that's enough on the introduction on automation, and let's go in further in upcoming videos. And if you like my videos, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you.